Okay, now we're ready to dice our garlic. First, we're going to we have that skin on top of it. So we're going to take this fork and we're going to, with the back of the fork, we're going to press down hard. And now it just makes the top layer really easy to come off, like so. I'll put that in the waste. Let's do one more. This one's a big one. Same thing, take your fork, press down on it, and then top layer comes right off. You can put actual garlic on the dicing board. Okay, so now we're going to actually chop this garlic, and we want to do this really fine. So let's do it one at a time. We're going to take our knife, make sure you have a sharp knife, and use your fingers as a guide, and just go back little by little. Let your fingers be the guide. I'm not going to use that end, that hard part. And then we can do the same thing going across. Just be careful. Just use your fingers as the guide. And then you can just give it a little once over here. And here's our diced garlic. I'm going to throw that in here. Let's chop up another piece of garlic. Do it across. And actually, this is chopped up pretty fine here. We can just... And here's our diced garlic.